children, in this video we are going to discuss about cockroach, copulation, fertilization, metamorphosis with the help of beautiful picturization method. Shall we see now? Copulation. Copulation breeding season March to September. The female secretes audacious, volatile, sex-attracting scent from their scent gland which is located on their abdomen. Right? That scent gland produces pheromones or ectohormones. Male perceive the smell of female scent with the help of the olfactory sensile which is located on the antennae region. Got it? Male cockroach then attaches with the female cockroach back to back arrangement. It looks like this. This is a male cockroach. This is female cockroach. During the time of copulation, copulation is the physical fusion during the mating time. At the time what will happen? Male and female cockroach attaches on its back. Then the male insert all of its palomere. Already we discussed here palomeres. It's actually a genital aperture, right palomere, left palomere, ventral palomere. We discussed lot of things during the time of male cockroach reproductive system, right? If you want to refer the video once again. These palomeres helps to attach and opens the female's sterga and sterna region. Imagine this is a female cockroach body. Female cockroach body. The dorsal surface is called it as sterga. The ventral surface is called it as sterna. Right? During the time of copulation, this palomeres opens the terga and sterna at the back of the female cockroach. Then it inserts its pseudopenis. This is a pseudopenis. It inserts its pseudopenis into the female gonophore region. This is female gonophore region. For what it inserting? For fine anchorage. Nalla tight grip pidichikradhukaga. In this position, male genital pore. This is actually a male genital pore. Male genital pore situated on the spermatical papillae. Spermatical papillae present in the female reproductive system. What is the purpose of spermatical papillae? Spermatical papillae collects the spermatophore. What is spermatophore? Bundle of sperm which is covered by 3 coats or call it as spermatophore. Right? So, during the time of copulation, male genital pore situated on the spermatical papillae. See, this is a straight position. Female gonophore area. Above that, spermatheca is there. Spermatheca right, spermatheca left, spermatheca respectively sac and narrow like structure. Right and left spermatheca opens into a spermatical papillae. Okay, this spermatical papillae collects the spermatophore at the time of copulation. Yes, male genital pore situated on the spermatical papillae. This region is called it as spermatical papillae. It looks like this. This pore is a spermatical papillae, this region. Right? Spermatical papillae. Discharge of spermatophore by male genital pore upon the spermatical papillae of female. See to the diagram. Male cockroach, female cockroach. During the copulation time, it attaches on its back. At the time, this palomeres opens the female cockroaches terga and sterna. Then it inserts its pseudopenis for fine anchorage. Then male genital pore releases its spermatophore on the spermatical papillae. This region is called it as spermatical papillae. I will zoom and show you. See, this is spermatical papillae region. This is called it as spermatical papillae. This opening is called it as spermatical papillae. Exactly. Right? After the secretion of its phallic gland upon the spermatophore, then only it releases the spermatophore inside the spermatical papillae. Right? Copulation time. How long the cockroaches attaches on its back? 1 hour. The spermatophore remains plastered. After that, the spermatophore, what is spermatophore? Bundle of sperm is called as spermatophore, which is coated with the help of the 3 coats, plastered the spermatical papillae. It gets plastered. In the spermatical papillae oda wall la the spermatophore plaster ஆயிருக்கும். எவ்வளோ நேரம்? 20 hours. During this period, all its sperms, spermatical papillae பக்கத்தில் ஒட்டிட்டு இருக்கும்போது இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். அந்த டைமில் 3 coats இருக்கும். 3 coatsல இருந்து என்ன ரிலீஸ் ஆகும்? ஸ்பெர்ம். அதை கிழிச்சிட்டு நடுவில் இருக்க ஓப்பனிங் வழியாக என்ன வரும்? ஸ்பெர்ம் ரிலீஸ் ஆகி வரும். ரிலீஸ் ஆகி எங்கே போகும்? ஸ்பெர்மாத்திக்கல் பேப்பில்லேக்குள்ள வழியாக போய் ஸ்பெர்மாத்திக்கா, ரைட் அண்ட் லெஃப்ட் ஸ்பெர்மாத்திக்கால இட் செட்டில் டவுன். தென் த ஸ்பெர்மாத்திக்கா receives sperms. During this period, all its sperm escape out and fill in the 2 spermatica of the female. Then the female drops out the case of empty spermatophore. So, அந்த spermatophoreல 3 cases இருக்கும்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, அந்த 3 coatsம் வெளியே வந்து விழுந்துரும். sperm அந்த spermaticaல settle ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறமா. Got it? Yes. Then 16 ova, 1 from each ovariole. Right? 16 ova, 1 from each ovariole of the 2 ovaries are discharged at a time into the genital pouch. So, it arranged in the linear manner like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As such as linear manner, parallelly it arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 ova, 1 from each ovariole, right, are discharged at the time into the genital pouch, where this are arranged in 2 parallel rows. Who arranged this? Gonophysis. Female gonophysis arranged like this linear manner. Shall I explain you again? 16 ova will come out, 1 from each ovariole. So, right and left ovaries are there. From right ovary, 8 ova, left ovary, 8 ova, totally 16 ova will come out. At the time, what will happen? Gonophysis arranged in the linear parallel manner per row 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simultaneously, what will happen? The sperm stored in the spermatica region. This is a spermatica region. I will zoom and show you. This is a spermatical region. Right? Ovary will come out. And then this spermatica also, this area is called it as spermatica. This spermatica also releases the stored sperm. Got it? Simultaneously, the sperm stored in the spermatica are also discharged into the genital pouch. Then it fertilizes the ova. Got it? Next, what will happen? Fertilization takes place. Fusion of male and female gamete takes place here. That fertilization is called it as internal fertilization because it happens inside the female body. So, it is an internal fertilization. After the fertilization, what will happen? The left collateral gland. This is the left collateral gland which is very well developed. The left collateral gland secretes soluble milk protein and then right collateral gland secrete dihydroxyphenol. Both secretion mix to form a brownish scleroprotein. This is a brownish scleroprotein. The scleroprotein forms a common egg case called ootheca. Formation time 24 hours. Female deposit it on the dark dye places. Internal fertilization nadakum. Left collateral gland secretes milk protein, soluble milk protein. Right one secretes dihydroxyphenol. Both mixes and form a brown scleroprotein. This is a brown scleroprotein. The brown scleroprotein form a egg case. The egg case is called it as ootheca. This is ootheca. We used to see this kind of ootheca on the floor. நம்ம வீட்ல கூட நிறைய பாப்போம் இந்த மாதிரி oothecal structure. That is nothing but cockroach egg case. Formation time 24 hours. The female deposited on some dark and dry places. Then development. One female form 9 to 10 ootheca in a lifetime. அதோட லைஃப் டைமில் 9 to 10 ootheca development of egg inside the ootheca. அப்ப எக்கோட டெவலப்மெண்ட் எங்க நடக்கும்? இந்த ஊத்திகாக்குள்ள நடக்கும். ரைட்? ஊத்திகா ஆர் adaptation of terrestrial life to prevent its water loss. இந்த ஊத்திகா terrestrial lifeக்கு நல்லா வெல் டெவலப்டா அடாப்ட் ஆயிருக்கும். டெவலப்மெண்டல் டைம் 4 to 8 weeks. Right? Juvenile stage inside the ootheca is called it as nymph. This young stage is called it as nymph. Nymph don't have wings like an adult, and then it don't have developed reproductive organ like an adult. So nymph appear like an adult except wings and reproductive organ. Nymph changes into an adult. So இந்த மாதிரி nymph வந்து adultா மாறதுக்கு it takes 1 year. During metamorphosis, what is metamorphosis? Gradual change that nymph stage into the adult stage, right? 13 times molting is happened. Shedding of the skin is called it as molting. It is otherwise known as ecdysis, right? Shedding down the தோல் உரிக்கிறது அப்படின்னு தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவோம். So how many times? 13 times. Time interval between two molting. So I told you that 13 times the molting happened. Time between the two molting is called it as two interval. In between that molting is called it as stadium, and then in between molting nymph called instar. Right? In between the molting the nymph is called it as instar. Adult insect is called it as imago. Got it? How many times? 13 times. And then time interval between two molting is called it as stadium. And then in between molting the nymph, the small cockroach is named as instar. Then adult insect is named as imago. Metamorphosis is an incomplete metamorphosis or purometabolous. Why? Because gradual metamorphosis happen. Not at sudden. Gradually the metamorphosis happen. That's what it is called it as purometabolous or incomplete metamorphosis. I hope you can understand well. Thank you, children.